Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TIAA Workplace for contributions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the TIAA website. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Click on the login button to proceed. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the corresponding link for assistance. Follow the prompts to recover your account information if needed. Once logged in, look for the Contributions tab on your dashboard. Click on the Contributions tab to access contribution options. Review the available options for workplace contributions. Select the type of contribution you wish to make. Fill in the required fields with your contribution amount and any other necessary details. After entering your information, carefully review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to process your contribution. You will receive a confirmation message once your transaction is successful. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section for troubleshooting tips. Logging out after completing your tasks is a good security practice. If you have further questions, consider reaching out to TIAA's customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.